Good evening and welcome to the Investing in Ethnicity Awards 2018. Tonight, we're here to celebrate some of the key figures that have worked hard to create diversity and inclusion in the workspace and beyond. I'm Antoinette Alexis, and I'm backstage to meet some of the winners. So you have just won the award for Future Leader. How do you feel about that?
I'm a bit shocked, actually, because when you look to the list of people, I think it was an incredible list of people, and the stuff they've done was really, I'd say, really inspiring. And I'm just overwhelmed by it all, to be honest, because we started diversity and inclusion initiatives maybe a few years ago, and we've done a lot. But when I looked at the bios, I was humbled to be on the list with those people, to be honest with you.
Do you think we've got many milestones to cross?
I think we've got a huge amount of milestones to cross. So I think we've made incredible progress, but I think we're only starting on the journey, and we have to keep on going. But it's positive. It's a huge positive that the initiatives that we have done, have really tried. They have made some positive change.
What do you love most about what you do?
I'm a fund manager, so I manage money. So first of all, I love managing money. I've got a passion for managing money. I love meeting clients. But the diversity and inclusion initiatives, again, as I say, is something that I've picked up as almost like a side project to my job, and it's fantastic to really be a role model to the younger generation and people who simply may not have had the chances that others have had.
Why do you think events like this are important?
I think it's important to champion ethnic diversity, number one. Number two, I think it starts the conversation. I think one of the biggest challenges for ethnic diversity is that people just don't talk about it. So I think it's so important to start the conversation, and I think events like this help the conversation to get started.
Amazing. Thanks so much for talking to us, and congratulations again.
Thanks a lot. Cheers. Thanks a lot.
So we've come to the end of the evening. I found that truly inspirational, and I hope you did too. Just like to say a special thanks to our sponsors. Without them, events like this wouldn't be possible.